Welcome back. Since you are watching this video, it means you have downloaded the Salesforce Companion Chrome Extension or you are about to download the Salesforce Companion Chrome Extension and you want to learn how to use it. So I will show you in this video how to use it. But first of all, let me tell you what are the various problems which I am tackling with this Chrome extension. So suppose if you want to find custom metadata from setup, let's count the number of clicks we take. 1, 2, and after that we have to type the custom metadata here and then we have to click on this. It takes some time. So in order to increase the productivity of Salesforce developer or a Salesforce professional, I have developed this Chrome extension. Let me show you some more things. So suppose you are on the record page or you are in developer console and need to find the API name of some fields. So then again you have to click here, go to the object manager and then find the object. Let's suppose we want to contact, and then from there we want to find the API name. So we have to click on fields and relationship, and after that we have to search for the field and then we will be able to find the API name. So it will again take some time. Also, sometime we switch between Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning Experience. So I have given a button so that you can directly click on it. You don't have to go here and click on this switch to Salesforce Classic, which is very difficult to find. You can just directly click on the button which I have given and it will take you to Salesforce Classic. Also, there is one button to take you to the developer console. As of now, what we do, we click here and click on developer console and then it opens in a separate window, but by using this extension it will always open into the new tab. Okay, so these are the various issues which we solve, and one more thing, I have given a button from where you can copy the record ID. So you see here we have to copy the record ID. So you just click on the button and you will copy the record ID, and there are some more features which I will show you. So once you install the Chrome extension, which is Salesforce Companion, you will see this let's go to home and you will see this Salesforce Companion sidebar. At the top it shows you in which org you have logged in. It is a developer edition or production, scratch or sandbox org. We'll show it here. After that, here I have given my extension name and it's developed by me. And then from here, instead of going to classic, instead of going to setup and search for the various settings, what you can do is you can scroll here and just open it. So let's suppose we want to go to flows, so we'll just click on here and it will open the flows page. Or if you want to find something, you can just type it here. So let's suppose we want to see LWC, so lightning, and you see lightning web component is here. Let's click on it and it will take me to the list of all the components on my org. So this is the setup thing which I have told you. Now let's go to one account record. Let's go to one account record and open it. The time we go to an account record, we see few buttons being populated here. So there are 6 buttons and each have different feature. So first of all, I will show you show field API names. So as of now, what we do, we need to go to object manager and find the API name. But now we just need to click on this show field API names and it will render the API names of all the fields besides the label. So you can just take the API name from here and use in your code. Next feature, we write lot of SQL queries. So let me just open this one legendary extension, Salesforce Inspector. I can show you something. So what it will do is it will just generate the SQL query based on few. It will take few fields from the DOM and generate an SQL query with the filter ID equals to this. So let's click on this generate SQL and go here and I will paste it here, and you see we are able to get the output. So this is one handy feature which I have added. Let me go to some other record and show you again. So let's go here and let's see if it works or not. So click on details and you can see the field API names are always visible. So in order to make them invisible, you have to refresh page, right? So you have to refresh the page from here, but in the future version, I will give some feature so that it can be hidden. So let's generate a SQL query for contact. I copied it. I will go here. I will paste it here and run export and we got the contact record. We just need to apply the filters according to you and we will see the results. Now the next feature is copy the ID. As of now, we have to go here and here and here. So these are the three things we need to do. But now what we can do is we just need to click on the copy ID button. So let me open some record. So I haven't copied the ID of this record. Let me show you. This ID is different as you can see on the screen. So now I will go here and click on copy ID and let me paste the ID here so that you can match it. So this is how it works. Now the next feature is I told you we have to click 3 times to open the developer console, but when we click on this, developer console will open in a new tab. Let it load and as you can see it is open. So this will also save your time. And the last feature is switching between Salesforce Classic and Lightning. So just click on this opening Classic and it will just open the record which you are seeing. Again, let's go here and click on open in Lightning and it will open the same record into the Lightning. And the best part is it will always open the pages in new tabs, so your progress is not disturbed. You will see the last open page also and the new page. So this is how you can use the Chrome extension. Now let's go to this page. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter. I am very much active on Twitter. I am uploading videos on YouTube related to Salesforce. So if you are learning something, you can learn from there. I am also a active blogger. I am writing blogs on Salesforce words, so you can read about them from here. Also, I have created a LWC course available on Udemy, so you can learn LWC from there. Yeah, that's it in this video. I hope you love the extension. Thank you very much.